you guys, welcome back and I hope you guys are doing great. Yes, I'm still doing YouTube. I did not disappear and this is just a video about a life update and just giving you guys the reasons because of which I was gone. So if you didn't notice, I was not on YouTube for the past month or maybe even longer than a month. One of the main reasons being I had exams, and the second reason was that I was sick, and you can probably assume why I was sick. So yes, I had to isolate myself for 18 days. The rule we have here is 18 days. I couldn't really touch my camera or my makeup because I didn't want anything to get on there, so that's why I did not do anything at all. This video is basically me doing my makeup while I explain you the reasons, and I am kind of doing this in a different format. So I'm doing my makeup but I'm not speaking while I do my makeup. It's more like a voiceover. This is the look that I created. I know it's very basic. You have probably seen me do this a few times before. I did not want it to be this basic, but that's how it turned out and you're gonna have to watch it now. Also, if you're here for the makeup that I'm using, it's not new, it's nothing new. I'm using the same exact products, and that is also something that I want to address. So yeah, I guess we can get started. Okay, I guess I'll start with the makeup aspect since that is something that I mentioned. So the reason why you don't see me use a lot of different products is because I like for my collection to be concise and in a usable format. So usually something like foundation is not an area where I feel like I need a lot of diversity in. Like, come on, foundations are the same exact color. Yes, the finish differs, but I'm gonna take this makeup off in like 2 hours, so I don't really feel like foundations are that important. It's the same color. So I like to have 3 foundations at most because I know I'm gonna be able to use all 3 of them before they expire. So this Wet n Wild foundation is something that I've been trying to pan, and it's almost done, so hopefully you'll see more variety in this aspect soon. But yeah, I'm not someone who's gonna own 15 foundations. That is just not something that I want to do. At least as of right now, that is not my state of mind. If in future it changes, I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, foundations are not something I would like to have multiples of. I don't want to be willingly wasteful, and extremely big makeup collections make me feel like I need to use it all up, and I very well know if my collection is big, I'm not gonna be able to do that, and I will have to probably waste 75% of everything that I have. Makeup expires, and even then you cannot use all of your makeup collection unless it's really small. So I like to have a slightly bigger makeup collection, but when I do that, I know for a fact that I'm not gonna be able to use every single lipstick or every single blush that I own. So at least the foundation aspect is something I can control, the primer aspect is something I can control, so I would like to keep it that way. Eyeshadows on the other hand, I feel like it's not the same as foundation since it's a different color, everything is a different color story. So having multiples of them is more justifiable for me than having multiples of a foundation. I hate clutter and I do not want to have a collection that is not capable of being used. But yeah, don't worry, there will be variety in things. It's just not the foundation area. I don't think I want a lot of variety in this aspect. Maybe in future I'll feel a different way, but for now, yeah, I'm sorry if I keep using the same exact foundation. Yeah, it is what it is. I cannot do a lot about it. That's all. And now coming on to why I disappeared for a month, and if you have been following me for a while, you will know I have done this previously as well. So the reason is I have my semester exams, and usually these are the times that I have my exams in, and my exams are very obviously more important than my YouTube. And because YouTube is such a flexible thing, I feel comfortable not being bothered by the commitments that I have over here. I can adjust them according to my own speed. At least now when I'm not really a big creator, everything is in my own hands, and I like that because my exams are pretty important, and my course is also something I personally consider a little difficult, so I have to focus on that. And yeah, in order to make time for that, I have to go off of YouTube. So yeah, that's the reason I did not upload anything. If in future I disappear for a month, it's probably because of this, so don't worry too much. I will however try my best to not go away for an entire month. I will plan things better. Last time I still had better planning, but ever since this year has started, it hasn't actually been that good. Yeah, it was around April when I realized, wow, I haven't actually pre-filmed anything, and I tried to do that, and I did have a video pre-filmed that I did not edit and upload, and the upcoming reason is the reason for that as well. But yeah, let's hope that in future I plan better and not disappear for at least a month. A week I feel like is fine, justifiable, but a month is a bit too long. And also, thank you for giving me so much love on my previous video. I did not actually expect it to have so many views, but it was during a time when I wasn't feeling that good, so seeing that video do well made me really happy. And I'm sorry for the new people over here who are expecting a better video from me as a comeback video. At least you will get your content later on, but this video I just feel like for my personal documentation purposes I need to put this out. And for the people who are wondering why I didn't upload anything, this one's for you. So yes, planning better is the key. Let's hope I do it. And the third and the final reasoning, which is probably the most significant one, yes, even more significant than my exams, is I was sick, as I mentioned, and I did have, let's refer to it as Coco-19. And with Coco, things weren't really happy. This year already has been bad for me in a lot of different terms. But yeah, of course, I chose the worst time to fall sick. Like, I had an entire year and a half to fall sick, and I chose the worst time when the entire country is falling apart to fall sick. If that doesn't tell you how luck works with me, then yeah. Anyway, I'm fine now. I have recovered. I hope you guys are doing well too. I hope your loved ones are fine as well. But yeah, that is why I couldn't really touch my makeup, couldn't really touch my camera, tried to not touch my laptop either. And if anyone is wondering how it was pretty bad. So the infection level for me was mild, but I probably had every single symptom possible. And other people in my family were feeling better because they had their first dose of vaccine while I did not have anything. The day I became eligible to get the vaccine was the day I tested positive for this. I had it bad, but I still recovered. And if there is anyone who is going through a similar thing, I would just say don't expect it to be linear. There will be days when it will feel worse than the previous day, and there will be days that are better than the others. Just follow through the diet and follow through the medicines that your doctor has given. You will recover. And yeah, just take care of yourself even after recovery, because I don't need to talk about these things and make people even more sad. I really hope you guys are safe and your loved ones are safe as well. If there is one advice that I would give to anyone who is going through this, get all of your symptoms treated. If new symptoms appear like a week later, get them treated. This is not me saying, but the doctor that I was going to said the same thing, that don't just wait and see what happens. If something new happens, don't wait and see how much you can tolerate. That is not the way to go with this. So yeah, so just take care of yourselves, double mask, and take your vaccine as soon as possible. Don't delay it. It's only gonna make things easier for you. So yes, that is it. Let's move to the outro. Okay, so yeah, that was it. This is the look that I created and I'm very happy with it. Yeah, it's very basic as I mentioned previously, but I'm done. It's pretty, I like it, and I need to prep this video because I'm sweating a lot. So yes, I will be back on my regular upload schedule soon. Just give me this week, I guess, and I'll have the Wednesday videos and the Sunday videos planned out. And yeah, hopefully I can plan better this time and not go missing when my next semester comes up. So yeah, let's see how that works out. But for now, we are back and I hope you guys are excited too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the love that you have given me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm so sorry if I'm filming everything being like this. The reason for that is that my bangs, I cut them and I feel like they're a little short and I don't want them to just flow out of the frame, so it's difficult for me to manage them. So I'm constantly like in the same exact position. I'm so sorry for that. It's a weird thing. I'm sorry. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.